Money habits decide your future. Start with the basics today. Write your budget. Every dollar needs a job. Save first, spend later. That's the rich rule. The 50-30-20 rule makes money simple. Needs and wants are not the same. Choose wisely. Impulse buying kills wealth. Pause before you buy. Credit card debt is dangerous. Pay it fast. Emergency funds protect your life. Build one now. Apps can track every expense for you. Automate savings. Make it effortless. Just set up an auto transfer, like this, and confirm. Now it's effortless. Track your spending monthly. Knowledge is power. Financial goals keep you focused. Write them down. Net worth shows your real progress. Learning money skills changes your future. Luxury now means poverty later. Choose smart. Use rewards cards wisely. Never overspend. Pay bills on time. Your credit score matters. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Retirement planning starts today, not tomorrow. Saving money is easy. Just put a coin in the bank.
Oh, I get it.
Exactly. It adds up. Separate savings and spending accounts. Build a strong credit score. It saves you money. Good debt can grow wealth. Bad debt destroys it. Refinancing loans can lower your payments. Let's review these loan papers. This shows your new, lower payment. Check your credit report every year. Automatic saving builds discipline. Paying off debt feels powerful. Taxes matter. First, we have income, then deductions and refunds, and finally, your tax payment. Track deductions to save money. Financial planners help big decisions. Review progress monthly. Adjust your plan. Plan big purchases early. Okay, how? By saving ahead, you avoid debt. Got it! Rent versus buy depends on your life stage. Budget vacations to avoid stress. Cars lose value fast. Buy wisely. Lifestyle inflation steals your money. Time for a lifestyle upgrade. No thanks. Stay humble when income grows. But look at all this. I'm good. Choose value, not brand. You're right. I'll take the cheaper one. Invest savings instead of spending it. Compound interest is your best friend. Watch your savings grow over time. See how it rises steadily? A roadmap keeps your money journey clear. Early retirement is possible with discipline. Financial independence means freedom. But when if I nape a pine you just tan res about. Track passive income streams. Set long-term wealth goals. Books teach money secrets schools don't. Podcasts teach while you drive. YouTube can teach finance for free. Teach friends money. It helps everyone.
Good habits build wealth slowly. Replace bad habits with smart habits.
Celebrate saving milestones. Rich habits beat poor habits. Build generational wealth for your family. Start with smart investments and consistent savings. Grow your real estate portfolio. Family budgets create strong households. Start college funds early. The sooner you start, the more it grows.
Wow, like this piggy bank?
Exactly, it adds up. Insurance protects your future. Manage risk before it hits you. First, identify potential risks. Then, assess their impact. Finally, mitigate them. Protect wealth like a shield. Estate planning protects your legacy. Learn from financial mistakes. Review the charts. This was a key error. I see. I'll remember that. Good. On to the next lesson. Teach teenagers money skills early. Budgeting helps you plan, saving builds security, and investing grows your wealth. Minimalism helps you save faster. By owning less, you spend less, and that means you save more. Use multiple savings buckets. One for emergencies, one for a down payment, education, retirement, and investments. Visualize your dream life. Financial stability brings peace. Financial freedom means time freedom. Relax while money grows. Build wealth step by step. You can do it.